This tutorial by needlepointers.com will show you how to crochet a single crochet. The single crochet is the shortest of the basic crochet stitches and makes a firm, flat fabric. To make a single crochet in foundation chains, you insert the hook in the second chain from the hook. You place your yarn over and pull it through, yarn over and pull it through. And then you continue across in each chain. So it's in the chain, stitch, over, pull through. And you continue all the way across the row. To work the second row of single crochets, you would chain one and then you turn your fabric, or you turn your yarn. Then you insert the needle in the top two loops of the first stitch, so it would be right here. Yarn over, and you see you have two loops on your hook, yarn over and through, one loop. You insert it in the next, yarn over and pull it through. And you continue like that to the end of the row. And that is how you make a single crochet. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel because we publish new videos on Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Visit our website needlepointers.com for more crochet tutorials, free projects, and information.